Today we're going to look at the Monteverde Engage. This is the exclusive Inkball Rollerball here at Pen Chalet. Comes in the classic Monteverde box with the green sleeve you remove, and then the hinged gift box here. And the pen is right inside. This is the Monteverde Engage exclusive. One of them, there's two exclusive colors available here at Pen Chalet. This is the blue, and the exact coloring in the resin will vary, as you might expect, depending on the resin that they have to use for each pen, the material that is picked for each pen. So also you, in your pen box, you'll get your Monteverde information and your pen information. And then you'll get your little ink cartridge and adapter here. You'll also get ink cartridges. 2 ink cartridges are included. We'll tuck all this back inside and take another look at the pen. So as you can see, it's a resin pen body with black at both ends, and the pen clip is black to go. It really does complement the pen. I like the black on this. I usually go for a gold or a silver look, but I really do like the black combination here. It's a typical spring metal clip. Okay, and this is, as I said, the Engage from Monteverde. This is an exclusive color, but this is the Inkball Rollerball that you know from Monteverde. It uses their patented retractable ink ball mechanism that draws ink from an ink bottle, just like similar to a fountain pen. So you can see inside of here. It does have the ink converter here already installed for you. So using the system here that Monteverde has put together, you can combine the ink flow you love with fountain pens with the extra control you can expect with a rollerball. So people like that about this particular pen. And you also get, of course, a massive amount of choices when it comes to ink colors, because you can use any bottled ink that is appropriate for your fountain pen. You can use that with your Monteverde Engage. For those of you interested in the second color of the Monteverde Engage exclusives here at Pen Chalet, this is the green. And again, the exact shadings and color placement on the resin barrel will vary depending on the piece of resin that's used for each pen. But it also has the black trim. So if you want more information about this, you can check it out more at penchalet.com.